Hello students, in this video we will see class 6 maths exercise 14e and its part 2. Till now if you have not seen part 1, you can see the part 1 also. In this question number 5, what is written that an ornament is made up from gold and copper. एक ornament है, एक ज्वेलरी है जो gold and copper को mix करके बनाई गई है and the total weight of this ornament is 96 ग्राम. टोटल वेट जो है ornament का 96 ग्राम है. उसमें जो कॉपर मिलाया गया है मीन्स कॉपर प्रेजेंट इन द ornament is 1/12th part of the total weight. 1/12th part of the total weight. Then you have to find that how much is the gold present. Find how much gold is there. Yes, so for doing this you are having two ways. Find out the weight of gold and then subtract it. Okay, and subtract this fraction from 1, then also you will get. So I will do this one in very simple way. I will find out the amount of copper. Weight of copper in it means ornament is 1/12th of total weight. 1/12th of means multiply how much is the total weight, 96. 12 ones are 12 and 12 eights are 96. That means 8 gram copper is present. How much gram copper is present? 8 gram is the copper. So how much will be the gold in it? So weight of gold will be equal to 96 minus 8, and when you subtract 96 minus 8, 16 minus 8 will be 8, and here is 8. So 88 gram gold is present in that ornament. Okay, now come to question number 6. What is saying in question number 6? There is a girl who is completing half of the total work on Monday and 1/3 of the work on Tuesday. So how much work will she do on Wednesday so that the work can be completed? Okay, so what we will do, उसने टोटल वर्क कितना कर लिया, मंडे का प्लस ट्यूसडे का मिला के उसने कुछ काम कर लिया है, बट स्टिल सम वर्क इज लेफ्ट. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज whenever there is such question in which work is done, okay, and something total it is asking, so there we are taking the total work. यहाँ पे काम कितना है ये नहीं दिया गया है, हम अपनी तरफ से कंसीडर करते हैं that total work is 1. Total work is 1. Now you see how much she has finished. Total work finished, it will be 1/2 plus 1/3. Take the LCM. LCM will be 6. In 2 table how many times 6 is coming? 3 times. So 3 multiply this one plus in 3 table how many times 6, this 6 is coming? 2 times. Multiply this 1. How much it is coming? 3 ones are 3 plus 2 by 6 means 5/6. 5/6 work is completed. 5/6 work उसने complete कर लिया है. So we will find now remaining work. Remaining work, how we will find out? 1 minus 5/6. So take the LCM. When you take the LCM you will get here 6. Nothing is written means 1 is written. In one table how many times this 6 is coming? 6 times. 6 multiply this one minus 5, 6 ones are 6, minus 5 upon 6 equal to 1 upon 6. So how much work she will do on Wednesday? She will do 1 by 6 work on Wednesday. You can write this in the form of work. On Wednesday, she will do 1 by 6 of the work. Okay, note down. Now question number 7. In question number 7, a man spends money 3 by 8 of the total money and money left with him is 720 rupees. So it is asking in question how much money was he is having at the beginning. So how we will find this one? This one is very easy. एक person है, ठीक है, suppose any person is there and इसने कुछ पैसे खर्च किए हैं. कितने पैसे खर्च किए इसने? 3 by 8 पैसे खर्च कर दिए हैं. 3 by 8 ऑफ द मनी खर्च करने के बाद ऑफ कोर्स उसके पास कुछ मनी बचा भी. जितना भी टोटल मनी होता है ऐसे क्वेश्चन में जिसमें हमें टोटल मनी नहीं दिया है और जो मनी दिया है वो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन दिया है. सो दैट टाइम द टोटल मनी is 1. Okay, and how much he has spent? 3 by 8 he has spent. So how much he has left? Left one will be 1 minus 3 by 8. Find out how much it will be. When we will find out, we will take the LCM. LCM will come as 8. Nothing is written downside, means 1 is written. In one table 8 is coming 8 times. 8 multiply this 1 minus 3. 8 minus 3 will be 5 by 8. That means उसके पास जो पैसे बचे हैं कितने बचे हैं वो 5 by 8 of the total money. So 5 by 8 of total money is equal to how much? Money left with him 720 rupees. उसके पास एक्चुअल में कितने पैसे बचे? 720 रुपीज़. मीन्स 5 by 8 जो फ्रैक्शन है वो इक्वल है 720 रुपीज़ के. नाउ आपको टोटल मनी नहीं पता, आपको टोटल मनी ही फाइंड करना है. एज आई टोल्ड यू, ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई होता है. मीन्स ये जो 5 by 8 है ये इधर मल्टीप्लाई में लिखा हुआ है. इसका मतलब जब मैं इस 5 by 8 को इधर शिफ्ट करूँगी तो ये 5 by 8 उधर जाके रिवर्स हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 8 by 7. सो आई कैन से दैट टोटल मनी इज इक्वल टू 720 into 5 by 8 will become here 8 by 5. और यहाँ पे हम इसको नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay, so total money equal to 720 into 8 by 5. Now solve this one. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 is left, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, multiply, 8 fours are 32, 8 fours are 32 plus 3, 5, carry 3, 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 11. So this much rupees the man was having in the beginning. So this is the answer. This much rupees the man was having in the beginning. That is total money he was having. Now come to question number 8. What is saying in question number 8? In a classroom there are 4 by 5 boys. There are 100 girls. Find the number of boys. How you will find the number of boys? The total number of students in that class. The total number of students in that class will be considered as 1. Okay, total students will be considered as 1 in the form of fraction. So boys is 4 by 5. So how much will be the girls? So girls will be 1 minus 4 by 5. Take the LCM. When you take the LCM, 5 will come, and here 5 and minus 4, that means 1 by 5. That means 1 by 5 of the total number of students are girls. So how we will write? 1 by 5 of total students is equal to, ये 1 by 5 of total students girls है. कितना है गर्ल्स? दिया हुआ है 100, मीन्स 100. ठीक है. फिर से मैं यहाँ 1 by 5 को जब मैं उधर ले जाऊँगी तो ये हो जाएगा 5 by 1. सो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स हमें उससे पता चल जाएगा. टोटल स्टूडेंट्स equal to 100 into this 1 by 5 will go that side and it will become 5 by 1. 5 by 1 means 500. So how many total students? Total students is 500. But it is asking find the number of boys. We know already the number of girls 100. So we can find the number of boys. So number of boys will be equal to 500 minus 100, that is 400. Means in that class how many boys are there? 400. Note down. Now next question. What is written in next question? Finish journey means there is a man who is doing journey and that man has finished off his journey. 3 by 4th of his journey he has finished. So here this we can better understand with the help of a diagram. Suppose there is a man and he is on a journey. So he has finished this 3 by 4th parts. 3 by 4th he has finished. So how much is left? Left journey will be 1 minus 3 by 4. Take the LCM, it will be 4. Here 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 journey is left. Now next what is given to us? Distance covered by him is 12 किलोमीटर. इसने 3 by 4th जो जर्नी कंप्लीट की है वो कितना किलोमीटर है? 12 किलोमीटर है. देन डिस्टेंस लेफ्ट टू कवर, कितनी डिस्टेंस बच गई है कवर करने के लिए? सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट? पहले हमें तो टोटल निकालना सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो 3 by 4th ऑफ टोटल जर्नी, 3 by 4th उसने कवर किया है तो कितना कवर किया है? 12 किलोमीटर. नाउ here you wish to find out total journey, so total journey will be equal to 12 into this 3 by 4 will come this side and it will become 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 fours are 16 kilometer. So total journey means from here to here it is 16 kilometer. And he has already finished 12 kilometer, means 16 minus 12. How much is left here? Only 4 kilometer is left to cover. So distance left to cover, total distance is 16. He has covered 12. So 16 minus 12 will be 4 kilometer. Note down. So in this video only this much. Rest of the question we will see in the next video. If you have any doubt you can write in the comment box. For more videos you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.